guys, I'm playing Tokaboka. Current time posting in my YouTube and so log him in 12:35 p.m. and lahat nalaro ko is libre sa August 8 may 8 and may makukuha tayo ng house and I'm see it. I don't know, but nawakan ko yung alarm yung oras ko. Kinukuha ko yung salamin ko. Sige ko nakapagsalamin. Process ko, sorry guys. And ang ingay din. Kung masasabi wala na akong maisip. And di ko alam kung bakit. And naglalag ako. Oh my god! Guys, I am not talking now. And see you later again. Later na uli ako magsasalita. Hindi satisfying yun, diba guys? Okay, matatapos na to. And bye!